Mike here with Off Leash Canine. Today I am here with Seven. Seven is a 3-year-old Pitbull who is going to be joining us for our 1-week board and train program. Seven comes to us with a few issues. One issue being he loves to pull on a leash, he loves to jump on people, and another one is rushing through doors. So while he's here, we're going to be working on a little bit of door manners, a little bit of leash manners, and a couple other things that we can have him perfect while he's here and make life easier at home with his parents. So check back in with us in 7 days. I really look forward to showing you his progress.